Sorry? Oh, sunshine. Yeah. There's sunshine in the distance. We usually give this a miss. It's late in the day, like today. But it's only just gone 3 o'clock, so I think we can it's not easy though. I'm stuck in this rut, I think. Come on. It's a bit better. Not quite so bumpy. My front wheel did go in then. But the next bit is definitely a no-no. And that's steeper. God. Yeah, I know. You can tell him if you like. I'll make sure that, you know, you go down there, you can. If you go down there, you can tell him that I've gone down on the forest road.
Oh, you're going to see us at the bottom?
Yeah, I don't want to go, yeah. I'll see him at the bottom.
Okay.
I don't regret this. It's a deep rut either side of this. I was going to carry on down the forest road, but oh well. No. Oh no. There's got to be a way around that. Got it again. Oh, I found it. Can never find neutral when I want it. I can find it when I don't. It's a nice little pleasantish downhill, isn't it? Oh.